In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a query in Microsoft Access. If you've already built a query and you're ready to see the results, there are a few quick, reliable ways to run it. A query is simply a set of instructions that tells Access which fields to pull, what criteria to apply, and how to filter or combine data. When you run it, Access processes those instructions and displays the matching records in a familiar table-like view. One straightforward way is to run it from Design View. Open your database in Microsoft Access and locate the query you created. If you see it in the Navigation pane on the left, right-click the query and choose Design View to open its layout. From here, look for the Run button on the toolbar, the one with the red exclamation point. Click it, and Access will execute the query and automatically switch to Datasheet view so you can see the results. This is especially handy when you've just made changes to fields or criteria and want to immediately test what you've designed. If you plan to keep those updates, remember to save the query before or after running it so your design changes stick. If you prefer the fastest route, run it directly from the Navigation pane. On the left side of the screen, find the name of your query and double-click it. There's nothing else to configure. Access runs the query right away and shows the output in Datasheet view. This is great when you're confident the query is ready and just want to view the results without opening the design. You can also use a quick shortcut. Select the query in the Navigation pane so it's highlighted, then press Enter on your keyboard. That immediately runs the query and displays the results. If you like using context menus, you can right-click the query name and choose Open, which does the same thing. When a query runs, Access retrieves data based on the fields you included, the criteria you set, and any conditions you defined, then presents the results in a table format. Each column corresponds to a field you selected, and each row is a record that meets your conditions. You can sort or filter right in Datasheet view to explore the output without changing the query itself. If you see no records, your criteria might be too restrictive. Broaden a filter and try again. If you see more results than expected, refine your conditions. And if a column you need is missing, return to Design View and add that field. That's it. 3 fast ways to run your query and a clear picture of what's happening behind the scenes.